The first audition I watched on Saturday, people had 10-minute slots, and I went to 47 seconds.
Mason, you know what? You are 5 seconds away from getting thrown off this stage. If you've got a problem, then just go.
I ain't got a problem.
Don't criticize these guys.
Listen,
Mason,
you shouldn't be doing. I'm doing this for you.
You're not doing it for them. You're doing it for you. Are being a complete arsehole. Don't insult my team.
No.
Yes, you are, Mason. Don't tell me how long you should have on this show. You should be lucky to be on the show.
I'm bringing art.
Why don't you shut up?
This is about entertainment.
Mason, why don't you shut up?
This is like, I'm bringing
Mason, shut it. Well, then go.
When we first saw you before.
First of all, apologise to these guys over there who spent hours editing your tape. Don't come on and insult my show and insult these producers. You're not going to apologise? No, well then go.